Good morning, students. Today I complete this differentiation derivatives. Then I start with the one more chapter, that is called straight line. Once I complete the straight line, nearly about 50% of the portion from my side is completed. Then I start with the IIT classes with trigonometry, calculus and coordinate geometry. Remember, all the three sections I have taken, and the algebra is divided. For the differentiation, as we know, we require the derivatives and the rules. Differentiation of x raised to n into x raised to n minus of 1. Differentiation of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. Differentiation of root x 1 by 2 root x sin x cos x minus sin x tan x square x cot x cos x square x minus sec x tan x cosec x minus cosec x cot x, right? Derivative of constant is 0, derivative of constant into function is equal to constant outside. Differentiation of the function, differentiation of sum or difference, differentiation of first function plus differentiation of the second, differentiation of the quotient, that is a product rule, first function as it is, differentiation of the second plus second function as it is, differentiation of the first. Quotient rule, square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, and the differentiation of the denominator. Now the problems, that is derivatives. Exercise 13.2. Problem number 7 onwards. Yes. So in 7 we have the three problems. One is x minus a, x minus b. The second one is ax square plus b bracket square. Third one, in that the second one, the third one, that is x minus a divided by x minus of b, right? Fine. Now the problems. Usually while writing the solutions, I write the answer first, then I solve. It is the usual. I prefer this method because most of you are of that category. Directly how to write the answer. Its answer y dash is equal to 2x minus a plus b. This is what the answer. We will see. Y is equal to, first expand the bracket, x square minus xb minus xa, right? Fine. Minus into minus plus ab. Y is equal to x square minus x outside, it is a plus b plus of ab. Now differentiate. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x square minus a plus bx plus ab. It is equal to d by dx of all the terms, differentiation of x square minus differentiation of a plus b into x plus differentiation of ab. Differentiation of x square is how much? 2x, right? Differentiation of x square is 2x. A plus b outside, differentiation of x is 1. That constant is equal to how much? 0, right? Correct, Allah? Differentiation of x square is 2x minus a plus b outside, differentiation of x is 1. That constant is equal to 0. This is what the answer, and y dy by dx is written as y. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯೋಂಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಮೊದಲ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಡಿಸಕತ್ತನು. y is equal to x minus a, x minus b, expand the bracket, x square minus x into a plus b, ab, x square a plus b x plus of ab applicable to all the terms. Then we take a second one. Second, y is equal to ax square plus b bracket square, right? Ax square plus b bracket square. The answer I write y dash, its answer is equal to 4ax cube plus 4ab 4ab. This is what the answer. That is what the derivative. We will see whether we get this much or not. Y is equal to a plus b bracket square formula. It is a plus b bracket square formula. A square plus b square plus 2a into b, ax raised to 4 to ab square into x square, ab square into x square to ab square into x square. This one ax raised to 4 plus b square plus 2 ab into x square. Mine is correct. Mine is correct. Fine. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of ax raised to 4 plus b square 2b ab x square. Now derivative is applicable to all the terms. A into x raised to 4, derivative of b square, derivative of 2ab into x square. Constant outside, differentiation of x raised to 4. Differentiation of constant is 0. 2ab outside, differentiation of x square. If you write a into differentiation of x raised to 4, 4x raised to n minus of 1, x raised to n, n into x raised to n minus of 1, this is 0, 2ab into 2x. And if you simplify, you get this much, 4a x cube plus of 2 into 2, 4ab, differentiation of x square is 2x, right? Directly you can write the answer. Once again, a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is a square x raised to 4. A square x raised to 4 b square 2ab x. Differentiation of this a square, right? Derivative of this, derivative of second, derivative of third. Constant outside, difference of the function. Constant is 0. Constant outside, difference of the function. Constant a square, difference of x square is 4. N into x raised to n minus of 1. 2ab x square is 2x. Simplify, you get the answer. Third one. Y is equal to x minus of a divided by x minus of b. What is the answer? Y dash is equal to 2ab divided by x minus b bracket square minus. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x minus of a divided by x minus of b. Square the denominator. Quotient rule it is. Denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator, right? Minus numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator. Denominator is x minus of b. Now apply the quotient rule. Square the denominator. Denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator, minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. X minus b bracket square, x minus b, differentiation of this. Differentiation of x is 1 and it is 0. Am I right? Differentiation of x is 1 and it is 0 minus x minus a. Differentiation of x is 1, 1 is 0. Simplify this. The denominator is x minus b bracket square. Expand x minus of b, it is minus x minus of a. X minus of x, right? X minus of b into 1 is x minus of b. It is a minus of x. Minus into minus is plus ab. It is a minus of b, sorry. Now simplify x cancels. If you cancel that one, it becomes how much? Minus b plus a divided by x minus b bracket square, or write it as a minus b divided by x minus b bracket square. This is what your dy by dx. dy by dx itself is known as a what? Y dash. Therefore the value of y dash is this. It is a quotient rule, and according to that we have the answer. Write down. Okay, next question, 8th one. Find the derivative of x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a for some constant a. Yes, this is important. 5 mass or 3 mass, it is already solved. As a theorem number 2, refer previous videos. Already I have solved this. It is a theorem number 2 solved. ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು, ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು. ಸಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನಾಗ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡೋರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಾಲ್ಡ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ರೆಫರ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು. ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶಾಣೆತನ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಹುಡುಗರು ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುವಂಥ ಜನನೂ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನೋಡಿನೂ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಹೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಬರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಆ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ. ಈಗ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬರೀ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬರೆಯತ್ತೀರಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತೈತೆ ನಮಗೂ. ಕೆಲವು ಮಂದಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಟ್ಟರು ಬರೀತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಲ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳತ್ತೀರಿ. ಮಂದಿ ಮನೆ ತುಡುಗು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಂಗೆ ಏನರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಯ್ದ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ನೀವೇ ತುಡುಗು ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್, ಇದೇನು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀಟ್ ಈ ಸದ್ದ ಇದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಅಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ to understand all these things. These examinations for you, not for us. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಕೇಳಿರೇ ಎಲ್ಲೈತಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ಬರೆಯೋದು, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ನಾಗ ಕುಂತ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮದ ಬೆಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇವನ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಿತ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈಗ ಜೂಮ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮಾಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನೂ ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 9th one. Find the derivative of following. Find the derivative of, yes, in this 6 problems are there. The first one, y is equal to 2x minus 3 by 4. The answer is 2, right? differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 3 by 4, derivative of 2x, derivative of 3 by 4, 2 outside, the differentiation of x is 1, constant is 0, answer is 2, it is here. Now, bala standard doddu problems bidisorinda while solving these problems you feel somewhat bored. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಸರದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಪುಸ್ತಕದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, y is equal to 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 into x minus of 1. I write the answer. Y dash is equal to 5x cube plus 3x minus of 1 plus of x minus 1 into 15x square plus 3. 15x square plus 3. Yes. Y is equal to 5x cube plus 3x minus 1, x minus of 1, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative of this, derivative of 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 into x minus of 1, two functions, first and second. First function as it is, differentiation of the second minus plus second function as it is, differentiation of the first. It is 5x cube plus 3x minus of 1, differentiation of this is 1, plus x minus of 1, differentiation of 5x cube plus differentiation of 3 into x plus differentiation of 1. 5x cube plus 3x minus of 1 plus of x minus of 1, 5 outside, differentiation of x cube is how much? 3x square. 15x square, 3 outside, difference of x is 1. This is the answer. You can simplify. This is the question and this is the answer. You can simplify. If you simplify this, how much you get? 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 plus distributive law plus of 15x cube plus 3x minus 15x square minus of 3. X into this into this, and 15 plus 5, 20x cube, 3x 3 minus of 15x square plus 3x is 6x minus of 4. This is what your y dash, right? One more, right? ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ಸಕತ್ತವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. Why you are feeling very simple? Because already you have solved the problems much stronger than these. Hence you feel ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಂತೀರಿ, ರೈಟ್? Find the derivative of, right? Third one, x raised to minus 3, 5 plus 3x. The answer, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್, x cube 3x cube minus 5 into 3x square divided by x raised to 6, or it is 9x cube 6x cube. This is nodri, y is equal to minus x cube plus 3x divided by x cube divided minus x raised to minus 3. y is equal to, write this one as a 5 plus 3x divided by x cube, because minus 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ plus 3 ಆಯಿತು. dy by dx is equal to, apply the quotient rule, square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator 5 plus 3x minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator is x cube. If you simplify, dy by dx is equal to x cube, differentiation of two functions, phi is 0, that is 3, minus 5 plus 3x. Why? ಎರಡು ಥರದ್ದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. 5 0, 3x, 3 outside of x is 1. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square divided by x raised to 6 or 3x cube. It is here 3x cube minus 5 plus 3x into 3x square divided by x raised to 6. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ x raised to 6 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ರೀ. ಅದು 3x cube minus 15x square minus 9x cube, that is equal to minus 15x square minus 6x cube divided by x raised to 6. Anything common? ಏನಾರ ಕಾಮನ್ ಐತೇನು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ? x square and 15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can take even 3 also, minus 3x square, then 5 minus 2x divided by x raised to 6, 2 and 3, minus 3, 5 minus 2x divided by x raised to 3, or if you simplify 2x plus 15 divided by x raised to 3. This is what the answer, right? ಪಂಚಮ ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಾಗಿಂದ ಹೇಳ. ರೈಟ್. Right, this is what the answer. Now, next question. Fourth one, y is equal to x raised to 5, 3 minus x raised to minus of 9. Right, this is what the problem. Tawshir baat hai. Y x raised to 5, 3 minus of x raised to minus of 9. So you can apply the product rule or this. Idu cash estaitu. So what is the answer? C. It is x raised to 5. It is x raised to 5. Huh? It is x raised to 5. And this one is 3x raised to minus of 9. You can apply the product rule. If you apply the product rule, so what do we get? Dy by dx is equal to, differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to 5, 3 minus x raised to minus of 9. So first function as it is a differentiation of the second minus second function as it is differentiation of the first. Fine. Now it is x raised to 5. I have to write the differentiation of this. differentiation of first 3 minus differentiation of 6 into x raised to minus of 9 plus of 3 minus 6 x raised to minus of 9 differentiation of x raised to 5. Now I simplify this. What is the answer? So here it is a dy by dx is equal to x raised to 5, derivative of constant is equal to how much? 0, and 6 differentiation of this x raised to minus of 9. What is the constant into function? ತಮ್ಶೂರ್ ಅದು ಬರೋಡಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಾಗ ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಾಗ ಚೆಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ರಿ, ಸಹಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೈತಿ ನೋಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರತ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಂ ರೈಟ್. minus of 6, right? Minus of 6, it is x raised to n into x raised to n minus of 1, fine, plus 3 into 3 minus x raised to minus of 9, x raised to 5 is 5 x raised to 4, x raised to 5 it is minus 6 minus into minus plus 54 x raised to minus of 10 plus of 3 5 are 15 x raised to 4 3 minus 6 x raised to minus of 9. You can keep it as it is or you can expand. It is equal to 54 x raised to m into x raised to n, x raised to m minus of n, 5 minus of 10 and 15 3s are 45 x raised to 4 minus 15 6s are 90 x raised to 4 minus of 9, because a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus of n. Therefore it is a 54 minus of 5 plus 45 x raised to 4 minus 90 into x raised to minus of 5. This is what the answer. Or you can simplify still, x raised to minus 5 x raised to minus 5, it is a 54 x raised to minus of 5 and it is a 90. So in this if you subtract, it is a 6 46, 36 x raised to minus of 5 plus of 45 x raised to 4, or 1 divided by, you can write it, no problem. This is what the answer. It is a dy by dx. Once again, dy by dx, product of the two functions, first function differentiation of the second plus second function different of the first, different of 3, differentiation of this, differentiation of x raised to 5, differentiation of 3 is 0 and 6 outside, differentiation of x raised to n into x raised to n minus of 1, 3 x raised to minus of 9, 5 x raised to 4, and expand this, it is a minus into minus plus 54 x raised to 10, and here it is a 5 15 x raised to 4. Simplify, you get the what answer, right? Write down. Next question. ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ. Next. The next question, fifth one, in question number 9, fifth one, y is equal to x raised to minus 4, 3 minus 4 x raised to minus of 5. Fine. Y is equal to 3 minus 4 x raised to minus of 5 divided by x raised to 4. dy by dx, apply the quotient rule. What is that? Square the denominator. Denominator as it is. Differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is differentiation of the denominator. If you simplify x raised to 8, then I have to write this one. ಇದಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಬರೋಡ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಾಗ ಭಾಳ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅಂತೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿರಿ ನಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಬರೋಡ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು 8 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು 4 as it is. Differentiation of this, differentiation of 3 minus differentiation of 4x raised to minus of 5 minus 3 minus 4x raised to minus of 5 derivative of constant, that is what, 0. Derivative of 3 minus of 4x raised to 5 and derivative of what, x raised to 4. Derivative of x raised to 4 is equal to how much? 4x cube. Right.
590.
Huh?
590 plus x.
595. Right. X raised to 4 and this. First function as it is, square the denominator, denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. It is x raised to 8, right? X raised to 4, differentiation of the first, differentiation of the second, this and 4x cube. Now simplify. X raised to 8, x raised to 4, differentiation of constant is 0. This one, x raised to minus of 5, 4 outside, x raised to minus 5 is 5x raised to minus n minus of 1 minus 5 minus of 1 minus 3 minus 4x raised to minus of 5, this one as it is, 4x cube. Now simplify. X raised to 8 is the LCM. If you simplify, minus into minus plus, x raised to 4 into minus plus 24, x raised to minus 6. And here it is, expand the bracket, you can expand the bracket, minus 3 into this, minus 12 x raised to minus 12 x raised to 3, minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 x raised to minus of 2. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಅದು ಮೇಲಿಂದ 90 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
594.
Right. If you simplify this one, 24 into x raised to minus 2, because a raised to m into a raised to n, 4 minus of 6 minus 12x cube plus 16 divided by x square, or keep it as it is, x raised to minus 2 divided by x raised to 8. It is equal to how much? X raised to minus of 2. So the answer, once again, I write it as a x raised to 4. If it comes in the denominator, a raised to minus k is equal to 1 divided by a raised to k. Square the denominator, denominator as it is different of the numerator, minus numerator as it is the differentiation of the denominator. X raised to 4, differentiation of this and differentiation of this. 3 as it is different of x cube, 4x cube. Rest of the thing is differentiation. 4 outside x raised to 5 n into x raised to 8 minus of 1 as it. Expansion of the bracket, before that minus into minus plus 24, x raised to minus 6 it is, right? Minus 6, 12x cube minus 16. Simple. Expansion of the bracket, 24 x raised to minus 2 minus 12 is simplified. The answer. Over. Next one. Sixth one. y is equal to 2 divided by x plus of 1 minus x square divided by 3x minus of 1. Right. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2 divided by x plus of 1 minus x square divided by 3x minus of 1. Differentiation of 2 divided by x plus of 1 minus differentiation of x square divided by 3x minus of 1. Fine. Apply the quotient rule here, and there also you can apply the quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? First one. Square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator, it is over. This side, square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. Now, x plus 1 bracket square, x plus 1 into 0 minus, because differentiation of constant is 0, 2 differentiation of x is 1, minus 3x minus 1 bracket square, 3x minus of 1 difference of x square is 2x, minus x square difference of this is 3, and constant is how much? 0. Now this is 0, therefore minus 2 divided by, this is how much? Minus 2 divided by x plus 1 bracket square, and here it is 6x square minus 2x minus 3x square divided by 3x minus 1 bracket square. If you simplify, minus 2 divided by x plus 1 bracket square minus, that is 3x square, minus of 2x divided by 3x minus 1 bracket square. This is what your dy by dx. Once again, differentiation of this plus minus differentiation of this, both are quotient. Square the denominator as it is, difference of the numerator as it is, difference of the denominator. Square the denominator as it is, differentiation of the numerator as it is, difference of the denominator. X plus 1 differentiation of 2 is 0, and 2 as it is. X minus 1 bracket square, x square is 2x, x square, and it is a 3. Therefore, it is a minus 2 divided by x plus 1 bracket square, and if you expand this bracket, we get this much, the answer. Right. 2 more questions. Fine. Tenth one, find the derivative of cos x using first principle. Right. Again, solved problem. Refer previous video, that is derivative of trigonometric functions using first principle. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಇವರು, ನಾ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬಿಡಿಸೀನಿ? sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x, cosec x. All I have solved. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ? ಬರೀ cos x. ಪೇಪರ್ನಾಗೂ cos x ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದು. ಇದು ಎನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಟಿ ರೂಲ್, ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾರು ಇರೋ ಲೆಕ್ಕ, ಬಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 7 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 7 minutes, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇದ್ದು. ಏನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡತ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 7 11th in that 7 problems are there. 1 11 1. Find the derivative. Question is find the derivative. 1 y is equal to sin x into cos x. Second, y is equal to sec x. Third one, y is equal to 5 sec x plus 4 cos x. Fourth one, y is equal to cosec x. Fifth one, y is equal to 3 cot x plus 5 cosec x. Right. Sixth one, y is equal to 5 sin x. ನೀವು ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿವಿ ಇವೆಷ್ಟು ಸರಳ ಅದಾವ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಂತ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಇವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ ಉತ್ತರನ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡೋಣಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ದೆನ್ ಐ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. cos 2x dy by dx is cos 2x. This is dy by dx is equal to sec x tan x. This is dy by dx is equal to 5 sec x tan x plus of 4 sin x. This one minus cosec square x. This one minus 3 cosec square x minus 5 cosec x into cot x. This one 5 cos x minus 6 sin x. This one 2 sec square x minus 7 sec x into tan x. Fine. Detailed explanation if you want. Y is equal to sin x into cos x. dy by dx is equal to differentiation of sin x into cos x. Product rule, first function differentiation of the second minus second function as it is differentiation of first function, right? Therefore it is a sin x, cos x is minus sin x, cos x and it is sin x is cos x. Cos x into cos x is how much? Cos square x minus sin x into sin x is sin square x. We know this identity, cos square x minus sin square x is how much? Cos 2x. Y is equal to sec x, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of sec x. What is the derivative of sec x? Sec x into tan x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 5 sec x plus 4 cos x, right? Derivative of 5 sec x, derivative of 4 cos x. 5 outside, derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. 4 outside, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. dy by dx is equal to, it is a derivative of cosec x. ಒಂದು 20 ಸಲ ಅಂದಿರಬೇಕು. derivative of cosec x is minus cosec square x. Direct problem. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this given problem 3 cot x plus 5u cosec x. Derivative of 3 cot x plus derivative of 5u cosec x, right? 3 outside, derivative of cot x plus 5 outside, derivative of cosec x. 3 outside, derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x plus 5u. Derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Minus 3 cosec square x plus into minus 3 cosec x into cot x. Then here dy by dx is equal to derivative of 5u sin x, derivative of 6 cos x, derivative of 7. 5u outside, derivative of sin x is cos x. 6 outside, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of constant is 0. 5u cos x minus into minus plus 6 sin x, and it is a 0. This one y dy by dx is equal to differentiation of 2 tan x minus 7 sec x, derivative of 2 tan x minus derivative of sec x. 2 outside, the derivative of tan x is x square x minus 7 outside, the derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. These are the problems. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು, 7 ನಿಮಿಷನೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಏನಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಕಂಪೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಇಲಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. If you compare with them, these problems are nothing. ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ 9-10 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ you should be clear with the identities. I think no one has a doubts about the exercises. In exercise only 2 exercises are there, one 13.1 and 13.2. 13.1 it is related with the what? It is related with the limits. 13.2 it is related with the derivatives. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಇದು. ನಾಳೆ ನಾನೇನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಟೋಟಲಿ 4 ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ, coordinate geometry and calculus. These 3 parts are handled: trigonometry, calculus and coordinate geometry. In algebra we have some divisions, complex numbers, all are equally important, but calculus it continues. Next year it continues. Coordinate geometry it continues. Coordinate geometry, circles, then conic sections. This time conic sections it is eliminated from the syllabus. Government idavaru tagadaru ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಪರಾಧ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು. ನೀವು ಅಂತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಏನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಚಲೋ ಆತಲ್ರಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದೊಳಗೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಕೈತೆ ಅಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋಲ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಇರ್ಲಲ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇರಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ತೆಗೆದಾರ ಭಾಳ ಚಲೋ ಆಯ್ತಾಳಂತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಸಿ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಐ ಸ್ಪೋಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಡಾಫ್ಲರ್ effect, one of the wonderful concept in physics. That is the change in the relative intensity due to the relative motion between the source and the listener. ಆ ಡಾಫ್ಲರ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಉಪಯೋಗಗಳದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿದರೆ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಮರೈನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಿಸೈಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ. And do you know, one example I give you, if there is a speed limit of 40 km, if you are riding the vehicle with a 50 kilometers, the police will caught you. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಿಡಿತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋ ಮುಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೈಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ನೇ ಬಂದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ಅದು ಆ ಥರ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಇದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಾಫ್ಲರ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರು. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನಿಗೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ನೀವು ಓದನೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ಜೀವನದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಾರ ಓದ್ತೀನಂದ್ರೂ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಅದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೇನೆ? ಏನು ಚಲೋ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋ. ಈ ಬ್ರೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಾಲೆಜೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹಿತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನೂ ತೆಗೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಚಲೋ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ತೆಗ್ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನೂ ತೆಗಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿನ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಾವೆ. ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಕೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ. ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಲ್ತೈತಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೀವು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಟುಮಾರೋ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ವೇರ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳೋತ್ನಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್, ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಸೊ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.